Good morning, good morning. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock on the dot. 1,000, it's 1,000 right now. So, I'm at Venice Beach, it's cloudy. I got a couple of subjects that I want to touch bases on because people actually don't understand what's going on, like they're clueless. The internet is like getting the information to circulate. Now, whether a person takes what people say into effect, take notes, it's like totally up to them, okay? But even if something don't make sense to you now, and it takes a white person or a famous person to bring that to your attention, just know that people should take mental notes. Ooh, look at them waves. And the first thing I want to talk about is natural flavoring. Natural anything that's natural. Okay, so I have this vegan, vanilla, natural, complete balance. And there's like hundreds of ingredients in this thing. A lot of stuff. Vitamin and mineral blend. But I quit using it because there's an uproar about natural. Now, see, this is weird because first of all, I'm gonna tell you now, don't buy this shit. I think I paid like $30 for it. Don't buy it. Because after you become conscious of what's really going on, you won't buy anything like this. Everything that you deal with, you will make it yourself. Probiotics, gluten-free, non-dairy, and soy. So let's get back to the ingredients. Manufactured in a plant that processed milk, soy, wheat, and eggs. Are you fucking kidding me? So you mean to tell me they don't have a building where they can make all vegan products? Even though I eat egg, milk, and cheese as of this month, but it's a study I'm doing with myself. And truthfully, it has brought me back to the point where I can't eat them. Okay? Even though I'm addicted in a sense, I know that they're not needed in my diet to survive, okay? I'm gonna read this again. Manufactured in a plant that processed milk, soy, wheat, and eggs. But this is supposed to be a vegan, nature's protein shake. What about that makes sense? Not only that, let me find the ingredients that I want you to let me just read them out and then I can figure it out. Protein blend, pea protein isolate, potato protein, chlorella protein, taurine. Now this shit is white. Hold on. This stuff, they want it to look like vanilla. Hold on. It's beige, it's white. Now, how you gonna have chlorella protein in here? So you mean to tell me you took the protein out the chlorella? Come on now. It's white, it's beige. They want vanilla to seem white. Vanilla is brown, vanilla is dark brown, vanilla is black, okay? Okay, so let me finish. Organic cane sugar, fiber blend, inulin from chicory, bamboo fiber, pea fiber, flaxseed powder, apple fiber, sunflower oil, natural flavors. Natural flavors. I don't know if you can see it, but let's zoom it in. We're gonna try to get there. Pause the screen and look at it. Okay, that's what I want you to understand. And natural flavors consist of anything that is natural from the planet, whether that's dirt, human, animal, plants, anything. And it's cooked up in a lab. So you could be eating people in this protein shake. You could be eating a natural protein from humans. Point blank, period. So we have 2 or 3 things wrong with this. Just because it's vegan don't mean that it hasn't been processed, chemically altered. You would think a natural protein would be a whole bunch of fibers and nuts and seeds blended up and you're able to mix it in your beverage. Natural things that are just dehydrated, dried up, and you know, emulsified or blended or grind up to a pulp, to like a powdery substance. But no, they have gone through chemistry to create this. And that's another thing about the naturalness. People don't know how our world is being built, especially the melanin community. They have no clue that everything has some strand of melanin in it. And how do you get this strand of melanin? People are not donating it. They don't even talk about it in the, when have you ever heard a doctor talk about melanin other than a person having a lack of pigmentation from vitiligo or a melanin deficiency? But other than that, they're not letting you know that the world revolves around melanin, meaning this sand no longer has melanin in it. It's dead. The ocean is really not a form of melanin. That's why it's so crystal clear. Even though it lives, it thrives, it's a different type of life. It's like the yin versus the yang. That's why they say fresh water, fish, and species are more intelligent than saltwater species, because there's a different type of life, okay? So that's just something to really, really, really put and set your mind to. And yes, we're out here listening to the ocean at Venice Beach. It's cloudy. And I really wanted to get that out there. Take notes, man. Anything with natural flavors. Okay, one more thing. Those drinks, those vegetable drinks in the vegetable aisle of the produce section by, I forget, they got this Super Green Goddess carrot juice. Carrot juice is the only one that's 100% carrot juice. The Green Goddess has natural flavors. Why, if you got apples, cucumbers, kale, this, that, and other, they all on the front say no sugar added, no sugar added. But what are they adding to it? The ingredients have got to the point where they don't even have to add the ingredients on there. Now they're just putting natural flavors. So they don't have to tell you the ingredients of the natural flavors. Research it. Do your research, because it's a joke. Beginner vegans and vegans that just, oh, I need protein, I need protein, I need protein type people are falling at the end of the stick. Like they're being tricked by this, oh, I need protein situation. What you need is fats, omega-3s and stuff. So yeah, you need fats. And people don't quite understand that. So you need to look up what type of fats you need. And to start off, I would stick with chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, and avocados. And avocados has more potassium than bananas. Bananas have too much starch and they cause mucus. Avocados cause mucus with certain people, but certain people decide to still deal with the mucus because they want that fatty protein, okay? So it's ways about it. It's ways about it. Stay away from these foods that are say they're natural or organic and they're seedless or they have natural enhancers to them. Fuck those foods, okay? Just eat an apple. Peace out. This is Revere Scott.